Welcome my dear students. Today I would discuss on the points to be remembered while writing an essay. You know, essay can be of three categories: reflective essay, descriptive essay and narrative essay. Narrative essay means you are describing one incident. Descriptive essay, you are describing one picture or something. And reflective essay, that means thought provoking essay. And reflective essay can be logic based essay as well. Today I would mention some points. If you remember those points, I think they would help you in writing essays. Now, all the points would not be valid in all the essays, but if you keep in your mind the points, therefore many points would be relevant in many essays. So, please listen once. At first, obviously, we would think about the definition of the concept. Suppose we are writing on friendship. Then we would write, a friend is he to whom we can think aloud. Similarly, advertisement. Advertisement is just making the receiver or customers acquainted with the pros or with the merits or the uniqueness, innovativeness of the product. In this way, at first, some line would come about the topic. It can be told as a definition as well. And in support of the definition or as definition, you can mention some proverb or some idiom, even some incidents from some epic or fable or some well-known stories as well. Now, in the second point, you have to think whether the concept has a classification, whether it has a classification. Suppose you are thinking about property. Now, property can be achieved by dint of one's perseverance. Property can be achieved by war or even by marriage. Some properties are personal property, some properties are collective property, as the property of a club, and there is natural property as well as national property. In this way, you would think whether the given topic has possibility of classification. In the third point, you would think whether the presence of the concept has its relevance in various stages of our life. Suppose we are thinking about friendship. Now we would mention our school friend or friends of infancy, college friends, as well as some acquaintance on our journey become our friends. In this way we can think. Similarly, punctuality has its relevance in our school life, in our college life, in our office, even in the work field. For a student as well as for the teachers, punctuality has its relevance. Next point obviously would be the effect of industrial revolution. After industrial revolution, we got a plethora of objects, commodity, products. And because of improvement of technology and improvement of communication and transport and improvement of satellite system, now one product which is invented or discovered in German in June becomes worldly wide known just in August or July. So, because of this industrial revolution, because of this plethora of commodity, we also become gadget dependent, or we become obsessed with new gadget. Whatever new gadget comes, through advertisement in our periphery of knowledge. We want to grab it, we want to possess it, and so we need money, and so we become aloof from the other sides of life. We are not so careful regarding our relatives, regarding our parents, and our other duties and responsibilities. Even we become rather apathetic to the creative faculty. We only want to possess or collect money to grab the new gadget. That is also a new obsession, and that obsession, that tendency of humankind may be relevant in your essay in this or that way. Now, next point would be how the concept itself can be a potential industry. Suppose you are thinking about or writing about filmdom. Now you can show there are so many actors, actresses, dancer, choreographer, makeup man, Foley artist, and extra. And so many people depend on film for their livelihood. Moreover, there are channels and magazines based on films. There are institutions on films which teach various techniques of films, and there are cinema halls, OTT platforms. They all depend on films. In this way, the concept can be a potential industry. Advertisement also is an industry. Now, next point would be effect of the concept on various professions. Suppose you are writing about punctuality. You can show how punctuality is relevant in various professions. Now, next point would be the relation of that quality or of that concept with other qualities. Suppose you can show relation of punctuality with discipline, relation of punctuality with sincerity, with personality, and so on. Next point is a very important point, that is the influence of education, influence of genetic inheritance. Actually, what we are, partly because of our genetic inheritance, we got through our DNA and RNA the qualities from our parents, and partly from the educational institutions, as well as from the friends, from the ambience, from the domestic atmosphere, from the books, from the films, and from the co-curriculum activities which we cultivate. So these all have their influence on us in our making. And the syllabus. Education means the syllabus, the educational institutions, as well as syllabus through which we go. They assimilate many qualities. We assimilate many qualities from the syllabus. So the fabric of syllabus is also important. Next point, that is also not less important, that is importance and significance and contribution of media, government, and NGO. Suppose we are discussing on the topic ragging, which is practiced particularly in the engineering colleges. Therefore, you would write the importance of the authority. Authority should not hide the follies under their expensive carpet. The importance of media would come. Media, if media focus such incidents, therefore people would be careful. Importance of government, if government make strict laws and inflict them on the raggards, take the exemplary punishment, give them exemplary punishment, therefore also it is a good thing. So, an importance of NGO in making our conscience and consciousness awaken or rekindled. This is also important. And moreover, the role of political scenario, you can mention it, role of internet. role of technological advancement and internet. Because of internet and satellite, there is hardly any distinguish mark between rural life and city life. A rural boy also can know the recent invention of Scotland through internet. So it is also one point. Whether the point is relevant in animal and celestial world. Suppose you are discussing friendship, you can tell whether friendship is valid in the animal life, whether there is discipline in the celestial world, in the movement, in the rotation and revolution of the planet. You can write a paragraph on use and abuse of the relevant concept. You can mention the optimistic and philanthropic outlook which is very necessary for us. So these you would think, and I think this thought, if you can execute, some points would be relevant in many essays, and so if you keep these points in your memory, it would be helpful to some extent when you write one essay. Okay, if you have any point of your own, you please write in the comment box. And my question also is that, what is global village? Write it in the comment box. Like and share the video. Shobhan's Class Talk, you know, is my channel, and I would come with some more innovative discussion in my next video.